I think deep down we were ashamed.
A secret kept for 26 years.
I get very emotional about it because of what she went through.
One Pat Owen took to her grave.
Because of the post office, dying at 62 years old, heart failure, really broken heart.
Her family speaking for the first time about Pat's 1998 conviction for stealing from the post office.
And then when she came home, she was a different woman. So we felt, we didn't talk about it. We didn't talk about it amongst ourselves, as a family. We didn't talk about it with the extended family. Our extended family don't know.
She was so confident, she knew she didn't do nothing wrong. And when the guilty verdict came out, she actually fell to her knees in the dock, crying her eyes out, shaking.
Sky News has learned the number of so-called capture convictions, like Pat's, now being investigated for miscarriages of justice, have more than doubled. All part of a post office scandal predating the infamous Horizon, which saw hundreds wrongfully convicted.
So this is all her paperwork.
But Pat's case is significant and could help turn the tide on convictions like hers.
That's the court documents, so everything's in there as well.
Like other sub-postmasters in the 90s, Pat used capture software we now know was likely to cause accounting errors. And in these documents, something new, evidence about the computer never heard before.
The problem on the computer is a faulty motherboard. This would have produced calculation errors and may have been responsible for discrepancies.
It's a description of malfunctions in the software from a computer expert who never turned up to Pat's court case in 1998.
The computer was sitting there on the day of on the week of the court case and was never used.
So I heard, now I can't remember who from, that he done work for the post office. If he turned up to be a witness in court for us, he wouldn't get any more work from the post office.
Despite best efforts, the expert's never been tracked down and the post office declined to comment. But victims' lawyer Neil Hudgell says any new evidence like this could possibly help other capture cases.
It's a real case of what if is Patricia Owen's case. You know, as their family, if you sat in their shoes and thinking about, well, if that expert had been able to give evidence, what could the outcome have been? How could life have been the last 30 years? So it's something that we've got a bit of a focus on particularly because, again, whilst it's relevant there, it may also be relevant in other cases.
These victims are the oldest in the post office scandal and it could be months or years before convictions are overturned.
I would give everything to have her back tomorrow.
And for her to see her name being called.
Yeah. Just to see that everyone knows that she didn't do what they said she did.
Speedy justice for this family, more important than ever.
Are you worried that this could take years?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll probably be dead.
No,
but I hope I'm not. I hope I'm still here to see her name cleared, you know?
Yeah, that's what we want.
Yeah.
Adele Robinson, Sky News.